Hey guys, today I'm just going to be telling you about my experience with the August smart lock system. I've had this for over a year now, and we're going to check out the keypad as well and the doorbell. So let's get this started. Let's go.
Morning.
Hello, can you hear me?
Hello, Day Day. Good morning.
Good morning. I'm going to try to open the door.
Okay.
Open the door.
It opened the door, but the other door is locked.
Oh, yeah. All right, so I'm going to close it.
We're going back to the back.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Right there, I asked my wife to test the keypad, see if she could get in, but we always have a hard time with that keypad. It's almost faster for us to pull out our phone and unlock it from the app.
Wow, that is so tagal.
Slow?
It's slow. You have to wait until the light turns on before you press the button, because if you don't wait it, that means it's not gonna, you know, no motion detected.
So I went around the back, coming in the front. I just want to see how fast we get a notification about motion. There it is. I saw the light. Hmm, nothing yet. I did get the notification on this phone that I'm recording, but not on my wife's phone. We both have it set to notify us when there's motion. I just got it on this phone I'm recording with. When that lights up right there, that means it got you. So the biggest problem with this system is this one. The material is sort of a rubbery, and sometimes you gotta just hit it just right, or else it won't register. 9 times out of 10, you won't get it the first try. You put your code in, and then you press that button, and it should unlock. But it's very rare that we get it the first try. I think there's a sensor here that senses, if you're trying to press something. So sometimes we shake our hand in front of that and then put our code in. But it would be a miracle if you can get it in one shot. So this is just a generic code. Here we go. See, it didn't even light up then. There it is. Oh, it stopped. See? Crap. Shake, shake, shake. There you go. One. It stopped. So you can see that it could be a pain in the ass. The rest of the system is fine. The doorbell's fine. The lock is fine. But this one is not. I wish that they could redesign this with solid buttons, or even better, come up with a system where it's just a fingerprint. You can have this as an option, but have a fingerprint so you can open it and close it. You can also lock and unlock it through your phone. Alright, and you can view the camera. It takes a screenshot of the last motion, I guess. That's when I was out there. You can watch live. Doorbell is offline. This happens all the time. Just the glitches with this system. Alright, well, apparently during the testing today it's not working, but sometimes it does work. You can get the status. It's got half battery because it is battery powered. This is your activities. Let's try one more time. Nope. It decided to be offline during testing. So there it is. That's fun. This is the other lock that I had before buying this Wi-Fi. I went through two of these. I think this was the third generation Wi-Fi. The first one, I took it apart and just the internals of it, and the same as this one, is very poorly made, I would say. There's like a ribbon data cable inside there, and if you pull this too hard, if you got a guest that doesn't know what they're doing or doesn't understand this, and if you rotate this too hard, you could snap that. And I think that's what happened to the first one, because they didn't think it was far enough. This, since I got it apart, this goes, right there into your door, 2 screws. And this is the adapter. They've got 2 or 3 of these depending on the brand of deadbolt that you have, because it does use your existing deadbolt. It goes right there. But what happens is my door doesn't always close properly. It's not always aligned. So when it doesn't align properly, this struggles. It'll make weird noise that it doesn't get into the hole properly, and eventually it will wear out that motor. This one, so that's why I got this one, the Wi-Fi smart lock. They advertise that it is stronger, and indeed it is. I have the same issue with a door, but this one will just force it right into the hole. This one is stronger. I didn't have the same issues as I had with this. This lock works great. The only issue that I have with the whole August ecosystem, which includes the lock, the keypad, and the doorbell. Those are the only 3 that they make so far that I am aware of. The weakest link of that system is the keypad, because again, it's the rubbery keypad, which doesn't always, accept it correctly. You gotta do it 2 or 3 times. And I wish they would improve upon that, just make it hard buttons at least, or come up with a system that has that keypad and then has your biometrics. So um, this works great. I love this product. The wireless doorbell camera is okay. The keypad I hate. So that's my thoughts of this system. Their weakest link is the keypad. So August, if you're listening, you're probably not because my channel doesn't even have but 200 something members on it or subscribers. But yeah, this lock is great. You guys did a great job. It has built-in Wi-Fi, whilst the other one, this one required a Wi-Fi bridge. One thing that I will say when setting this up, this works on the 2.4 network. I had a hard time setting it up because it likes to connect to the 5. So in my Wi-Fi router, I had to shut off the 5 and then just tried it multiple times until it gets in there. Trust me, it won't lock in the first time. It won't lock into your Wi-Fi the first time. So I guess that's the common theme of this brand. It will never work the first time. Nothing works the first time. So, especially the keypad. But other than the setup issues and the keypad, I can't say anything really too bad about this lock and the doorbell. Because the doorbell, does it have a delay? Yes, but it's battery powered. I think they all have that tendency. They all have that, that problem when you're battery powered. I do have 2 batteries for that thing, so I don't have a downtime when I receive a notification that the battery is low. Oh, hold on. Let me go out there. So when I receive a notification that the battery is low, pull this up. I push that, and the battery comes out. It's difficult to do it with one hand, but I have another battery in there. I can just swap it back in. Boom. I hate this one. I really do. So when you close it, it auto locks. I have it set up to auto lock, immediately. And at night, we lock the bottom. That's the issue. Well, that's the problem I had this morning when I tested it. My wife tried to open it, but I forgot that this was still locked, so she couldn't get in. So I had her go in the back door and test this for me this morning. So that's that, guys. August smart lock with Wi-Fi, keypad, and the wireless doorbell.